Did you know that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels by up to 60%? Studies show that just 20 minutes in a green space can significantly lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and improve your mood. In fact, researchers have found that people who spend more time outdoors experience lower rates of anxiety, depression, and burnout. But why does nature have such a powerful effect on our minds? Let's dive deep into the science and real-life stories behind the healing power of nature. Introduction. Welcome to Bloom Health Haven. Today, we're uncovering one of the most effective yet often overlooked tools for mental health recovery: nature. With the rise of stress, anxiety, and depression, people are searching for natural ways to improve their well-being. Science is now proving what many cultures have known for centuries: nature has the power to heal. Whether it's walking through a forest, listening to birds chirping, or simply feeling the sun on your skin, nature can have a profound impact on your mental health. In this video, we'll explore the scientific benefits, real-life success stories, and practical ways you can use nature to transform your mental well-being. The mental health crisis in a fast-paced world. Modern life is moving faster than ever. We are constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, deadlines, and digital screens. The pressure to be productive never stops, leaving little room for rest or relaxation. As cities grow and green spaces shrink, people are spending more time indoors than ever before. Studies show that the average person now spends over 90% of their time indoors, leading to increased stress, poor sleep, and a higher risk of mental health disorders. Research also reveals that urban environments, filled with noise, pollution, and artificial lighting, can contribute to higher rates of anxiety and depression. In contrast, spending time in natural environments helps reset the nervous system, bringing a sense of calm and balance. If you've ever felt mentally drained, overwhelmed, or emotionally exhausted, reconnecting with nature might be the solution you need. The science behind nature's healing power. The connection between nature and mental health is backed by extensive research. Scientists have discovered that exposure to natural environments can lead to reduced cortisol levels, which helps lower stress and anxiety, improved mood and emotional resilience by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels, lower heart rate and blood pressure, reducing the risk of stress-related illnesses, enhanced concentration and cognitive function, leading to better focus and productivity, better sleep quality by regulating the body's natural circadian rhythms, increased feelings of happiness, gratitude, and connection to the world. Nature therapy and its role in mental health treatment. Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy, is an emerging field that integrates outdoor activities into mental health treatment. Therapists and wellness experts now recommend various forms of nature-based healing, including forest bathing or Shinrin-yoku, a Japanese practice of mindfully immersing yourself in the forest, horticultural therapy, which involves gardening to reduce stress and improve mood, animal-assisted therapy, where interaction with animals in outdoor settings helps boost emotional well-being, outdoor mindfulness and meditation, where deep breathing and presence in nature enhance, relaxation and clarity, beach therapy, where the sound of ocean waves and fresh air create a calming effect on the mind. These therapies have shown remarkable results in people struggling with PTSD, anxiety, and depression. Many hospitals and mental health programs are now incorporating nature therapy as a complementary treatment alongside traditional methods. A powerful story of healing through nature. Let's talk about Sarah, a young professional who battled severe anxiety and burnout. The pressure of working long hours in a corporate job left her feeling emotionally drained and physically exhausted. She tried therapy, medication, and self-help books, but nothing seemed to work. One day, she decided to take a break and spend a weekend in nature. At first, it was just a simple walk in the park. Then she started hiking, exploring forests, and even meditating by a river. Within weeks, she noticed a dramatic shift in her mood. Her anxiety decreased, her sleep improved, and and she felt a renewed sense of energy. Nature became her sanctuary. Today, Sarah continues to use nature therapy as a key part of her self-care routine and encourages others to do the same, bringing nature into your daily life. You don't have to live near a forest or a beach to experience the benefits of nature. There are simple ways to incorporate nature into your routine, no matter where you live. Start your morning with a short walk in a nearby park to boost your mood and focus. Open your windows to let in natural sunlight and fresh air, which can help regulate your energy levels. Practice outdoor mindfulness by paying attention to the sounds, colors, and textures of nature around you. Bring nature indoors by keeping houseplants, which have been shown to reduce stress and improve air quality. Take breaks outside instead of staying in front of screens all day, allowing your brain to reset and recharge. Plan weekend getaways to natural spots like lakes, mountains, or botanical gardens for deep relaxation. Engage in grounding exercises, like walking barefoot on grass, which can help balance your body's stress response. Final thoughts. Nature is one of the most powerful tools for mental well-being. It's free, accessible, and backed by science. By making a conscious effort to spend more time outdoors, you can reduce stress, boost your mood, and improve your overall health. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, step outside, take a deep breath, and reconnect with the healing power of nature. Call to action. Have you experienced the mental health benefits of nature? Share your story in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to reconnect with the natural world. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more mental wellness tips. Stay connected, stay healthy, and keep thriving with Bloom Health Haven.